So now that you've done the triads on your own, let's go over them and we'll check your answers. So we have 1 minus 4. So 1 minus 4 means that we go to the left. And if we rewrite this, which I want you to always do, we have 1 plus negative 4 is actually what that means, because remember, it means add the opposite. So 1 plus negative 4, we're still going to go to the left. So we're at 1, and we go to the left 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we end up at negative 3. For number 2, and I'm just going to switch colors and I'm going to keep using the same number line. So for number 4, we have negative 5 plus, negative 2, because we add the opposite. So the opposite of positive 2 is negative. And so now we have negative 5, and we are going to go again to the left. So we're at negative 5, and we're taking away 2, so we're going to go deeper into the negative. So 1, 2, and that gives us negative 7. And then last but not least, we have 6 minus negative 5. And so 6, add the opposite. The opposite of negative 5 is just positive 5. So this turns into a giant plus when we have minus and negative. So we have 6, and then plus 5 means we go to the right. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are at 11. So if you missed one of those, hopefully now you know what you did wrong. And if you got them all right, then awesome job.